UDavid Mabuza kuthiwa usese-lisekela likamengameli wenarha. Ikulumo enjalo ikhulunywe lisekela likamengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile. uMashatile ube ngomunye wamalungu amane we-ANC epalamende afungisiweko. Ulendeleke bona athathe indambo zokuphatha esandleni sika David Mabuza oselatshengisile bona yena ufaka incwadi yokuthokoza isikhundla.
Of the former Deputy President, Mr. Mabuza?
Well, as far as I know, he's still Deputy President of the Republic.
But he said he resigned.
He said the President accepted his resignation.
I don't know. I haven't seen it. The last time I saw him, he was the DP of the Republic.
Kunefundisela yokuthi uMabuza uchiya isikhundla esinje kobanyana uMashatile azokungena abe lisekela likamengameli wenarha.
There's no open secret here. There's no open secret. It is the prerogative of the president to appoint a deputy president. If the president decides to appoint him, well and good. If he decides not to appoint him, well and good. So there is nothing that is written in black and white that the deputy president of the ANC automatically becomes the president of the country.
Palamende aqinisekise nokuthi uMabuza akakathokozi njengelunga lepalamende le-ANC.
I've been deployed to Parliament by the ANC. Now I'm a deputy president of the ANC. The deputy president of the country is a prerogative of the president. He's the one who decides who should be deputy president. For now, I'm happy to serve here.
Amanye-ke amalunga amatjha wepalamende we-ANC afungisiweko hlangana nawo kubalwa undunankulu walokhu KwaZulu-Natal usese-lisekela uPaul kunye nesekela likanobhala zombelele we-ANC lesibili uMarupini Ramokhopa. Laba-ke abathathu bayokungena ngaphakathi ekhabinetini. Kusesenjalo-ke i-ANC ithe ayinandaba nalezi inkulumo zokuthusela ezizwakele ngomholi we-EFF uJulius Malema zokuthi i-EFF yokuphazamisa ikulumo yobunjalo benarha eyokwethulwa nguMengameli ngelesine.